Our excuses and justifications abound when we are not ready to take action. We all are rigid when it comes to changing our habits and our routine. I too was stringent, but also determined. With a thought, why not give my life a try? I embraced the discomfort of change. My journey to self-discovery and revival began. I started to unlearn old things with learning and relearning new ones. This process became never-ending. The process changed my habits and enlightened me about the sun's impact on life. The sun has no beginning and no end. It is eternal. And our lives revolve around the sun in an endless loop. Yet, we spend our entire life without acknowledging its importance. A healthy lifestyle comes with healthy habits and healthy food. I discovered our eating and sleeping habits depend on the sun. The sun is the ultimate source of energy, power, and our lives. Living in harmony with the sun is the secret to a long and healthy life. Sun is the essence of life.